Welcome to another video today, guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to normalize your audio in Adobe Premiere. I made up this quick little example file in Premiere just to kind of show you how you do it. As you can see, if you look over on the audio level meter, this thing right here, you can tell that this first clip is pretty much about where you want your levels to be in some spots, and in some spots it's a little bit quiet or slightly too hot. And then this clip, it's too quiet. We also have this audio track, which is way too loud, way too hot. Here's what you do. You go into your effects tab in Premiere, search up the dynamics, and then once you find it, drag it onto your first clip. Go into the effect controls of that first audio clip. Go find your dynamics, hit edit. And then we'll set your limiter to, in most cases, probably between -5 and -10 dB, somewhere around there. I usually like to set it around -6, -7. We'll just do -6. So what I've heard, if you do any editing for cable TV, you always have to keep your levels limited at -6 dB or lower. I don't know why, but that's just a standard, I guess. I'm just going to have mine set to -6. Sometimes I'll do like -7, -8, somewhere around there usually. Play your audio. You can go into your audio levels and it will not be peaking at all. So now we've got to fix the slightly quiet parts, and by that you'll hit your compressor. What you want to do with your makeup gain is you want to adjust the levels of that until it's basically where you want it to be, which in a lot of cases I'd say maybe -15 to -10 dB, somewhere around there. I'm going to go do that. I'd say that's probably about good. I can maybe make that a little bit lower. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can always mess around with like your threshold and your ratios and all that sort of stuff. I'm just going to keep it as is for right now because it's just a test file and I'd say it works fine. Then I'm going to go click on my dynamics effect in the effect controls tab. I'm going to hit Command or Control C to copy it. I'm going to paste it on my other dialogue track. So let's do that. We can go in, edit it, make it slightly louder because it's a little bit quiet still. I'd say it's not perfect, but it's good enough. Okay, finally, for this audio track, it's peaking a lot. We're going to go into our effects controls again, drag down our dynamics, and all we were going to do is go into our effects controls for that audio track, find dynamics, hit edit, and we are just going to set a limiter -6 or -7 dB, wherever your limiter is at for the other clips. So I do -6. I'm going to check the limiter on, and then it doesn't limit, or it doesn't peak anymore. Now let's go in and play that back and go take a look at the audio level meter. There you have it, a nice clean way to normalize all your audio so you don't have any peaks, you don't have any dialogue or anything that's like way low, -20, -30 dB. Nice, simple, cleans up all your audio. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. If this video helped you, be sure to drop a like and go check out some of my other tutorials on this channel.